You can earn $7 for one song, 2 songs for $14, 10 songs for $70, and so on. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to listen to music and earn money while doing so, this is the video you need to watch. Honestly, this won't make you rich, because you can't make a lot of money by doing this, and it takes a lot of time to get to this amount. If you actually want to learn how to build a profitable online business, make sure you subscribe and enable the notification bell so you can earn more money each day while relaxing at home. However, if you just want to make some extra cash while enjoying music, you can also watch this video. You will be directly trading your time for money, so you will need to put in time in order to earn money. By the way, I also want to show you all these different people who are already using this platform to make money while listening to music, and I want to show you exactly how they're doing this. Now, these are all the different ways that you can withdraw your money from this platform. You can use PayPal, Payer Web Money, Perfect Money. You can also use other methods like bank transfers or checks. In order to receive your money, you need to sign up for one of these platforms. If you want to use PayPal, go to paypal.com and create an account. As you can see, the minimum payout is just $1, so you don't need to have thousands of dollars in your account to withdraw. If you want to use Payeer, go sign up to pay your credit card or your account so you can actually receive the money that you make with this platform. Then, you will need to visit Pixabay.com and then click on Music, or just go directly to Pixabay.com Music. Pixabay is a copyright-free platform that essentially gives you copyright-free materials and resources, including photos, videos, and even music, and copyright-free means that you are able to re-upload the content that is on this platform to other platforms without giving credit to the author. So basically, when you visit Pixabay.com Music, you may choose from a variety of songs in a variety of genres, as you can see on the left-hand side. Gorgeous Plays Hip-Hop, Main Idol, Modern Classic, and a lot more are among the thousands upon thousands of songs that you can find on Pixabay.com Music, and each of these songs can earn you around $7 again and again and again. All you have to do to begin listening to one of these songs is to click this button over here. You must listen to some music here and find something that you think you like and that other people might also like. For example, listen to this song right over here. Or that no one would like it, disregard it. Actually, that's a really fantastic one, so click here to hear this. Okay, if you like this song, let me know in the comments section below. However, if you think it's great and you like it as well, just click the download button over here. After that, the song will be downloaded to your computer. And now I want you to keep doing the same thing over and over. Now obviously download at least like 15 to 20 of these songs. Once again, the more of them the better. So maybe I'm also going to go with this one. Let's say also like this one. This is a third song, and I'm ready to go now, so obviously download at least like 15 to 20 of these songs. Once again, the more of them the better. And the step is to go over to a platform called Appforever.org, a platform for file sharing and free cloud storage. Appforever.org allows users to submit various items and files while earning money in the process. Basically, they will pay you for doing so, in addition to allowing you to upload your files for free. As a result, you can upload your files securely and withdraw profits using a variety of payment methods, or turn the profits into a variety of goods, such as awards, products, and gifts, among other things. And the reason they're paying you is because when someone you know downloads the file you uploaded to app.forever.org, they'll be sent to a landing page for ads that they can skip. After they do, this platform is basically just splitting the other revenue with you, which is how both you and the platform are making money. You can just sign up for the platform, which is going to have a sign up button right over here where you can do that. And those files can also be things like photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and even music. So what you can do is you can of course first of all browse the platform to see if you like it or not, and yeah, it's completely free. You won't have to pay anything for the premium membership or anything else. It's $0 forever. If you already have an account, you can log in by clicking this button right here. Click Make Money to see how this actually works, but as you can see, you will be paid per 1,000 downloads in some different areas, so the amount you get paid will depend on where the people who actually download those files, in this case, the music and those songs, are coming from Pixabay. If they come from Tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3 for every 1,000 downloads. If they come from top Tier 1 countries, you will be paid $7 for every 1,000 downloads. As I mentioned earlier, you can see all the different payment options if you scroll a little bit down. However, if you want to use Bitcoin and Ethereum, you must have at least $100 in your account. You can also earn money by referring other people, so as you can see, for instance, right now, I'm making a video about this platform and would like to also leave the link to it in the description box. I'm not doing that, by the way, but I could also leave a link, and like every single person that signs up would also make me passive income as well. Here on the left-hand side, you can see all the options they have, but the Upload Files feature is now the most crucial one. To use it, click Upload Files, then choose a file, and then upload one of the songs you previously obtained from Pixabay.com music. You can add a short description and a new title, and you can choose to make it public or private. You should choose public so that other users of the platform can view it and download the music. You can basically just open it up right over here, share this link, and get paid whenever someone clicks on it and downloads that song. If you go through my files on the left side, you can see all the different songs that you have uploaded, so for instance, click on Start the Upload to see the different songs that you have uploaded. However, how quickly that loads depends on how fast your internet connection is. You can edit this song right here by clicking on Actions, and you can also set its price. For instance, if you set the price for this song to be $7 and then click Submit, you will be paid $7 every time someone downloads it. People download these songs because they want to use copyright-free music in their YouTube videos, commercials, and other projects, and these songs are completely copyright-free, so a lot of people don't even know that. They can use Pixabay.com music to find these songs, so they would just go to app.forever.org and download them. You could get paid $7 per song download, and the more of those songs you upload, the better your chances are of making more money. However, it takes a while for this platform to actually reach people, so you will need to promote your link on various social media platforms to get people to download. So, this is how to make money just by listening to music. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Now, if you want even more money, make sure you watch this video right here for you to download the new best 3 apps that pay you real money.